Hey everybody, it's Isaac at Mallard Motors, home of the largest used truck selection in South Arkansas, and we've got another one ready for you. This here was a local trade-in. It's a 2002 Ford F-150. It's a Lariat and four-wheel drive. We just rebuilt the transmission in it, so all the clutches, everything in the transmission are all brand new, all the seals, etc. It's a Lariat FX4, has a little tow package there. It's got a nice little spray-in bed liner there. It's got Michelin tires all the way around. Some okay tread on them yet. Alloy wheels. Brand new hubcaps. It's got the fixed running boards. Inside are standard power locks, power windows, etc. Some rubber floor mats. Leather's a little bit worn underneath, so it's got these seat covers. Came to us that way. Let's go ahead and start it up. It's got electronic automatic heat and air. Your four-wheel drive. It's got an aftermarket JVC radio. As you can hear, that works good. It's got 286,000 on the body. As I said, the transmission was just redone, and we also redid the spark plugs on it. Overall, still a pretty good truck. Got a nice heavy-duty wheel cover there. In the back, got the leather seats, still in decent shape. Again, we got a rubber floor mat that goes all the way across. Can fit up to 6 people with seat belts inside it. Again, these Michelin tires, decent tread on them. We put in brand new headlights as well. Just had the hood painted. As you know, on these older ones, sometimes they fade. That one had. Got a nice 5.4 V8 Triron in there. The battery's not too old. As you can hear, it runs quiet. These body style trucks were hard to kill, and this one's no exception. If you're interested in it, you can come see it at Mallard Motors at 701 East Main Street in El Dorado, or go apply for it online at mallardmotors.com. Remember, trust the nut.